It's important to learn your coping mechanisms for when life becomes too difficult or difficult in general. Life's difficulties can feel overwhelming, but breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks can help. For me, I am all about to-do list. Checking things off makes me feel like I am in some sort of control of my life when my life isn't going that well. So I'll write a list. Brush teeth, check. Shower, check. Post office, check. Eat, check. Drink water, check. Return 5 emails, check, 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 check. So I even put things on my to-do list that I might have already done that day, because that doesn't mean that I didn't already accomplish them. So I write them down just to cross it off. Practicing self-care, reaching out for support, and considering speaking with a mental health professional are 3 other big things you can explore when life is feeling too difficult for you. And again, I am not a mental health professional, and resources are available to help you cope with these feelings.